GCF logo can be created very easily by the Illustrator. Go and see all the process. Take 15 vertical lines and 15 horizontal lines and take 7 circles. Use the Shape Builder tool. Click the Fill option. Creating a 3-letter logo in a circle using Adobe Illustrator involves several steps. 3-letter logos are concise and easy to remember. A circular design can enhance simplicity and balance. Consider the psychological impact of colors on your audience and choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand identity. Utilize negative space effectively. Sometimes the space around and within the letters can create interesting shapes. Absolutely. Simplicity in design can offer several advantages, especially when it comes to creating a memorable and versatile logo. Here are some reasons why simplicity is often favored in logo design. Simple designs are easier for people to remember. A clean and straightforward logo is more likely to stick in the minds of your audience. Simple logos are more versatile and can be easily adapted to various platforms and sizes. The GCF logo is done. Now we're going to make it a bit fatter. So we're going to go into the offset path and make it 10 times thicker. Now it looks a lot better. We are writing the name of the logo on the right-hand side, but you can also write it below if you want. Remember that the success of a logo depends on how well it represents your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Experiment with different shapes, fonts, and colors to find the combination that best reflects your brand. I will continue to work for you in the same way. You will definitely give your feedback. Thank you.